Further introductions? The member from Toronto Danforth.
Thank you, Speaker. It's my pleasure to introduce Kathy Argyropoulos, Maria Daskalos, Jim Parthenis, Christine Theolis, Nicholas Theolis, Dimitri Theolis, and Maria Tatsiopoulos, who are here today for the introduction of the petition on Dimitra Daskalos.
Thank you.
Member for Toronto Danforth.
Petition to the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. Whereas much of the suffering of the late Dimitra Daskalos while in the hands of the healthcare system of Ontario could have been avoided, whereas the Minister of Health has publicly stated that elderly patients in hospital in need of long-term care are not to be subjected to threats of heavy fees by hospitals in order to get them to leave those hospitals, whereas Dimitra Daskalos and her family were subjected to such pressure, as have other families, whereas patients and their families have not found satisfaction of their grievances in investigations by hospital-based patient advocates or ombudsmen, whereas it is clear that there is a shortage of home care and quality long-term care for the elderly, we, the undersigned, petition the Legislative Assembly of Ontario as follows: to do all within its power to ensure that there is adequate home and long-term care for the elderly, to grant powers of investigation of health system problems to the Ombudsman of Ontario, to direct the Minister of Health to make sure her directions regarding extra billing used to force patients out of hospital beds while they await long-term care are actually followed. Speaker, I support this petition. I add my signature, the 5,374th, to this petition, and pass it on to you.